Hey guys, so today's going to be a OOTD for a post-rainy day. Starting off with the shoes, I got them from a boutique as well as my black skinny jeans. My knit sweater is from Forever 21 and so is my necklace. Also, my phone is a Galaxy S5, just in case you are wondering. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you would wear for a post-rainy day. And also, I do post on Saturdays and Sundays now, so basically the weekend. So make sure to subscribe and watch out for my videos then, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!